When Steve Jobs was born, his biological parents had no choice but to put the baby for adoption. He was soon adopted by his new parents. Steve Jobs was a bright kid, but unfortunately he was bullied at school. So he preferred to spend his time alone. But he was bullied so hard that he wanted to transfer schools or he would never attend school again. At his new school, he saw his first computer at the age of 12. So he took his first electronic class. Steve Jobs was a very smart boy. But he never liked the school learning process. He loved to learn in unconventional ways. So during his high school years, out of 4 GPA, he averaged a 2.6 GPA. Meaning he wasn't a bad student, but certainly he wasn't the best. He was average. After he graduated high school, he went to Reed College. But Steve dropped out in the first 6 months. Even though he dropped out, he was unofficially attending classes that interested him, such as calligraphy. At that time, he struggled to survive. He didn't have a place to stay. He slept on the floor of his friend's room and returned bottles for 5-cent deposit to buy food. It was one of the hardest periods of his life. He also spent some time backpacking around India. And that trip was one of the most enlightening experiences of his life. He dived into a spiritual quest of discovering his higher self and practiced meditation. These powerful experiences helped him create one of the most iconic brands of all time. Steve Jobs and his friend Steve Wozniak founded Apple from his parent garage. In 10 years, Apple had grown from just 2 people in a garage into a $2 billion company. In 1984, Apple released their first Macintosh computer. But the sales were disappointing. In 1985, Jobs was pushed out of his own company. At 30, I was out, and very publicly out. What had been the focus of my entire adult life was gone, and it was devastating. He was disappointed. Despite everything, he later recognized these experiences as a blessing in disguise. I didn't see it then, but it turned out that getting fired from Apple was the best thing that could have ever happened to me. The heaviness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. Less sure about everything, it freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. He even founded a new company. After Steve Jobs left Apple, the company found little success and continued to struggle. And with the success of Microsoft, Apple was on the verge of bankruptcy. In 1997, Steve Jobs, with his creative ideas, rejoined Apple and saved the company. And the rest is history. Apple became the first trillion-dollar company. Unfortunately, Steve Jobs passed away in 2011, but left behind a legacy and inspiring words and wisdom. His success story is amazing. He was an average student, failed many times in his career, was rejected, fired, disappointed, but he became one of the greatest visionaries of the 21st century. Whenever you feel lost, confused, disappointed, embraced, look yourself in the mirror. You are not going to live forever. Ask yourself, what can I do to make my life better? Stop living in fear. Get up and fight for your dreams. Find what is truly important to you and never doubt yourself. It doesn't matter what people tell you. You have the power to create the life you deserve. Remember one thing, your time is limited. So don't waste it living someone else's life. Hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.